Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, who is behind the camera, and then beside me is Courtney Antonio Wheatley, yes, aka Spraga, right? And so he is on the platform this morning and he needs some help to find his son, whose name is also Courtney Antonio Wheatley. All right, but before we get into that, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, let's have a talk with Mr. Spraga now. We call him Spraga, but your correct name, you say, is Courtney Antonio Wheatley, Chef Spraga. Yes. All right. So Spraga, so you'd have called us because you said that you have a son who you have not seen for a number of years. Talk to us about that.
All right, Ms. Cam. All right, I'd like to reach out to my son named Courtney Antonio Wheatley, and his mother named Marian Officer. Also coming from Linston, Everyting.
All right. How did you lose contact with your son?
Oh, the number they get mixed up. The number they get mixed up. But she used to call me, you know, but when she called me on a private number.
Oh, all right. So we want to go back, like what happened in the first place when you lost contact? Is it that you lost contact with him when he was with the mother, when the baby was just born, or what? Explain that to us.
The baby was about 2 years old when I lost contact with his mother. And I was trying to reach her. They have a number for her. So every time, she blocked me or what, but every time I try to get to her, the number not ringing and such like. So I'm here one time worried about my kids and such like. And I used to call one lady out there. And lady used to tell me, say, you see the baby, and the baby all right. So I say, all right, when you get to see Marian, just make sure you know, say, be concerned about the youth, and if you call me, so that we can talk to the youth. Because I like to send something for the youth. When it makes sense, me I give one, and me I give two, and me I give three.
Yes.
So a lady did call me one time and tell me, say, she said she not talking or nothing with me.
Okay.
You understand? So me both lose the lady number, lose fear number, because I chip did mash up. You understand? So
she used to, is it a case where the mother of the child used to call you very often?
Yes, Miss Kevin. She used to call me.
Oh, so when she used to call you, what was that communication like? Was it like hostile, or was it friendly?
Be honest with you. One time I used my grandmother's phone and call her. And it's like, I say, Mr. Kim, when you come carry the juice for me. Oh. You know? So you had a good relationship then? Yes.
Okay.
So, and me I talk, if you carry the juice personally, you know. It's the next person I say, if you carry the juice in. But he never knows it's me on the phone.
Oh.
You understand? So I make you run off about 2 days and then I call her back and say, Marian, who's the person you asked if you carry juice for you? And she say, you know, say that. So I said, no, of course my grandmother number me use, call your phone. And I said, like I said, Mr. Kim carry a juice for me. So who's that person? He said, me not worry about that.
So at that time, were you together or you apart?
We're still talking. We're partying, but we're still talking together. But I used to call him and ask him about the youth and such like. If we send a thing, he will tell me, oh, he sent it.
Still talking, but we're not involved?
No.
Okay. Okay, so how did you meet her in the first place? Because you live in Trelawney and she lives in...
That is a long story.
Okay.
All right. You want me to get to meet her? She used to come Clarendon with one of her friends. But my friend now used to talk to her friend. And my friend give me her number. So I saw come in and start corresponding and such like.
Okay.
And it happened as, I mean, if I didn't see she did there when she come down here, or she did there at Clarendon. But she come and visit me. Yes. And I were there till about 1 week they up there. You know, because she used to come and shop with me a morning time and such like. So
in Trelawney?
Yeah, so okay. Here, man. So we used to have a good relationship there. So one time we start, when she go home back now, we start visit her place in Everyting.
Yes.
You know, and it's like she don't want me to talk to nobody up there. Because she don't want me, the people them tell me fear lifestyle.
Okay.
That's will be the case then. You understand? So it happened as when I get in and she get pregnant and such like, baby involved Me not turn me back on her or nothing. Anything she wants to see me, I give it to her. Anytime I save all silver for the little youth and take it and carry it, go give her. You understand? And she do whatever she have to do. And when the baby christening, we go for the baby now and come my yard and she go to visit her same way. Sleep over, come back home on Sundays. Go up Saturday evening, come back home Sunday. One night she called me and tell me, say, Spraga, Courtney, you know, say, because also we live in a rent house she live.
Yeah.
So, you know, say, one day she called me and tell me, say, she have a young baby, you know. She tell me, so, because I didn't plan to go up that weekend.
Yeah.
And she tell me that, oh, the landlord pull on your young spanner with the young baby. Pull out the door. Yeah, so you have to use a piece of zinc and block it. And end up I reach Saturday night and about after 11 I reach I didn't see, you know, just to make she comfortable, you know. And she tell me when we reach her and I see what take place. She said to me, say, Courtney, you know, say, I don't want a lady I want a house I rent. And I go to her and I wake him sleeping night, go up the morning, check the lady. Lady, she, you know, she can't go down at the place where the house I rent.
Yes.
I go down there and I talk to the lady, because the lady live same place for the building, where I rent the house. I talk to the lady and the lady say 15,000 a month, but you have to pay 2 months in the bank. So I say, Miss, tell you the honest truth, I don't have to pay 2 months in the back, but I can pay you for 1 month.
Yes.
You understand? And she say, all right, I see where you come from, so I go help you. And we move. You see him, they will clean up the place, you see him, they will pay the lady rent, move, carry over there. You have to pay the vehicle to carry him over, see him also. So from there, we kind of get messed up from there. Yeah, because we used to go there like 1 month when we living at the house here. Our mother used to come there, our sister used to come there. We used to live and something. And things about right between me and him, I'll be honest with you.
Oh, so you break up
so
at that time,
part.
so after you rent the house and so on.
Part. I'm left her in the rent house.
And come back to Trelawney?
Yes.
Okay.
You understand? So when me come home back now, me hear that she move. Move, live up more in Newton. Yeah.
Okay. So since as you know where you could find her, why you never try to go and look?
No, as me tell you before, my mom said me not to go there.
Right.
Because you don't know if a woman set up a man for you, if he kill you or hurt you or something. So remember say my mother me there, you know, I'm going to go there in her.
So out of fear or out of concern, you just never bother to go
there.
Okay.
But I'm trying to reach out to her. Not reach out to her. I'm trying to reach out to her friend. I'm not reaching out to nobody.
Not getting through to them.
Yes.
Okay. And so as a result of that, you're here looking for your son.
Yeah, I just want to get in touch. If me be here in Vice, we feel much better. You understand?
Yes.
But we just want him there around me.
Yes. Okay. So you would want to have access and visit him and so on?
Yeah. Anybody out there know a Marian officer? Tell him that, please, I'm asking you. I'm looking for her and my son, Courtney Anthony Weekly. Marian name is Marian Officer. Yeah. And the number is 583-4801. Remember? 583-4801 and 899-2143. 899-2143. Please, I'm asking you, Marian, you give me a contact.
All right. All right, well said. All right, so just to, reinforce what you would have said, so anyone who is watching this video and you know of Marian Officer or Courtney Antonio Wheatley, who is his son, please let her know that he's looking for them and he can be contacted at the numbers that are placed on the screen. All right, so once again, thanks so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.